three, four, 5, 6 levels.
Yep, that's fine.
Okay, so the first one for EP1, EP2, and EP3, we'll be using this book.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. So this one. In high. I already wrote them here.
Perfect. Thank you for that.
Okay.
Appreciate that.
And then for material 2, which is like grade 8.
Yep.
Yeah, we will be designing our own lesson based on the lectures here.
Right, that's fine.
Okay. Use part. There are two. It's actually divided into two. We have our midterm and our final here.
Yep.
So this is for
Start with those three.
midterm
Yep.
and second for the final.
Yep. That's the whole semester.
Yes.
Perfect. Yep.
Right. Next thing is the use of books. Oh, the bio classes. So this class is here for for EP1. It is 1/9, which is the English program. All of this English program.
Yep. English program. Yep.
And then 2/9 for
Howdy, YouTube friends. It's 3 minutes before 2 a.m. in the morning, and you can see that one, right? 1:57 in the morning, and we're catching up with the federal funds rate, and there was another 25 points like cut rate for the feds, and so we are catching up that opportunity. Yeah, 2 o'clock in the morning, my friends. 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, we'll add another. Yeah, then once that new entry will make profit, then we'll take all the positions out. I was devastated like yesterday and late last night and yesterday, like some of my profits were sent back to the markets, but now I think we're taking back. And I'm pretty sure, I think the gold starts recovering now. But we'll make sure that we're going to maximize the profits that we have here. So we're going to exit our positions, especially the positions that are in profit. Okay, I don't care how much, because it's very unstable. How much did I put? Okay, we place another trade because the force in going up is still strong. Now look at that. Look at that, YouTube friends. Look at that. Yeah, we'll be back later. So, YouTube friends, we're about to witness a huge movement. I think I'm going to a few seconds from now. Bang, 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 bang. This is nerve-wracking. We are targeting wow. Few seconds from now. What? This was supposed to go down. We'll see. Okay, we'll see the outcome here. What's the outcome of the market? No. Where is it? My man, the calendar. Yeah. Well, look at the movement, my friends. Look at the movement. This is crazy, nah? This is crazy, my boy. But I'm going to get out now. Mm-hmm. 340. Okay, YouTube friends. We're about to check out our profits here. Yeah, we're about to check out our profits here. Mamods pa sa putang ina. Yun. This is a really nerve-wracking experience. Guys, this is a really nerve-wracking experience now. Am I crazy? I think I am. I am pretty crazy. Oh. What? No. You should not do that, man. No, fuck you, man. You should not do that. You're destined to go down here. 4,000. So please follow the movement. You're going down. You're not supposed to go up. You are in violation of the price law. You're not respecting the law. Price of. So we'll start recording now, YouTube friends. I told you I'll be back here. I told you lately that we're going to check out these positions that somehow all of these are in profit, but we need to wait another 2-3 minutes to maximize. We need to wait the next candlestick. I'm pretty sure the next candlestick will continue to push downward the price. Few seconds left, and then we'll have another candle for the 15-minute time frame. And our positions are still safe. Yeah. Our positions are still safe. I know. It will touch the bottom first if there's a plan of going up. But if the momentum of the dollar will continue to pull down the gold, then the gold will retrace or reverse the price a little bit here. But if it won't reverse, then probably the gold will try to hit only right here, or maybe lower than that, and then it will return back to the top. So that's the usual movement of gold, and therefore we need to monitor the price for the 15-minute time frame. Oh, this is crazy, man. I think it will be like deeper than what we are expecting. So probably we will hold these positions here. I think so, no? We will hold the positions. We will hold the positions. So I think this will be like deeper south. Since that one is trying to check or reverse the price, then it will continue to go down deeper. So with that, we're going to hold the price, hold our positions. Yeah, okay. I'm targeting that this is going to hit 39.96, likely 39.96 or 39.89, 80. Yeah. The market is moving again, moving downwards. Wow, that was strong. That was really strong. So I don't know if we will place a TP here. Oh, that was pretty strong, my man. I think the market just started heading downward. Okay, we will get back to you later. Guys, I don't want to be so greedy, I don't want to be so greedy, but the gold is continue going down. What? Yeah. Okay, we have to wait for the gold to go back 4,000, and we will check out our positions. Okay. Yeah. I don't want, and I mentioned to you that I'll be back, and now we're back. We're back right now, YouTube friends. I'll connect this clip at the beginning of this trade lately. Okay. Now we're $200 something, but the dollar is still like, this is the seller area where sellers are putting a lot of pressure. So yeah, the dollar is still pulling the gold. Ya, penonton ini. Baiklah, Roman. Okay. This now put the account. It's pretty crazy, YouTube friends. I'm going to stop this screen recording after 2 minutes, and then we'll come back later. At the moment, these are our positions. Yeah, our positions. Fingers crossed, but yeah, gold is crazy. But I'm pretty sure dollar has something. Yeah, after 2 minutes, we're going to stop this screen recording. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think 39.70. If the price will come back 39.73 from 4,018, then it would be a nice treat to us. Because this is our last money. Oh, 2 minutes already.
Kayo naman manghang-manga, wala ko sinuwa, inyong pagkahapi. Ako'y Moses dun sa dagat, tong current mahahati. Kaya para tong propeta, except yung ender niya kanina, na mali yung kutob. Kala ko flood sabay sa agos, pag di ka sumunod. Oh well, DPWH. Kasi wak mong mangulol, ang nakita nyo na sobrang palpak yung flood control. Pero ikay walang pake, di ba? Kasi tinira mo si Vitrom sa pagiging rallyista.
Uh-huh. Okay. I think this will cross this area here and move farther up to 40, 60 now. Yeah, I'm targeting that area 40, 60. Okay, go on. Yeah. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? I'm scared, my man. Wow, $200. What the fuck? Look at that. Okay, thank you guys. I'll be back. Yeah, betul nih. Now check out. Oof, I think so. It does not look good. So check this out. Roughly seconds left. Mahaba bentuk niya sa baba. Balikan mo lang ito. Balikan mo stick sa crazy. 50. Just will push another strike. Well. 75. Let's try this is 75. So likely somewhere like 4 to 73 hour Chicago decisions. It's too much. Ugh. 50-minute. What is it? Sulit.
iPad lang po.
ความดีสากลพร้อม3 4สะอาดระเบียบสุภาพต้องเวลาสมาธิสะอาดระเบียบสุภาพต้องเวลาสมาธิเตรียมตัวเคารพธงชาติธงขึ้นตรง
Okay. Close out na natin to. Medyo nakakalula na. Okay. Sheesh. Oof. Wow. 176. Just this morning. Okay. Pero tangina may 4 akong positions na ano. Pero hintayin ko yan. Traffic. Baka bago mag first period. So, okay. Back to 40, 73. Yun. 17. Close. Stay and check this out. Because we have some additional equity. so that our positions can still breathe. And we'll see how the next candlesticks will behave. And probably we'll have another entry today. Okay, looks promising. Yeah. Got that one. Okay, it's a good form of bullish engulfing pattern, but the only thing that is somehow kind of problem to me is that the wick or the shadow or the tail below right here, like it's a bit longer than normal. 64.58, so that's 6 pips difference. 6 pips difference, and then now we're here. 64, 69 plus 5, that would be 11 pips difference. If somehow that one will create another long tail right here, so it will be negative 14 pips. And how many positions do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 times 5, because that will be an additional minus to our equity. 14 times 5, and just 5 including this one, 6. Oh, that's too much. So in this case I have to closely monitor this, and I might be able to do screen recording during the time that I'll be checking out our buy positions here that somehow might turn into a profit, but make sure that I'll be able to minimize the exposure of our account. Few seconds to go, and we'll change to another 5-minute candlestick. 5-minute candlesticks. This is pretty insane. So I think the next candlestick for 5-minute time frame will get back to this high, 40.90, my ambitious target. 40.90. My TP was too ambitious, 40.95. But now I can see that the momentum is around 40.88. If that one slides to another 2 pips, that makes 40.90. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll change to another candlesticks. We'll check this. We'll take all these positions in profit and head on our way. I'm supposed to take that one when it hits $44, but it was just like a few seconds and then went back down. Wait, this is 15-minute time frame, and I thought it's 5-minute time frame. So I'm sorry, but I do multitask. Yeah, YouTube friends. I'm in the toilet. I'm pooping at the same time. I'm watching for this trade to realize certain amount of profits, and then we're going to check this out. This is pretty crazy. Okay, we'll see the 5-minute time frame. I'm not sure if that one will get hit the high. Perhaps it will, perhaps it won't. But the best thing here that we should be in profit. So I think we're going to check this out. Nah, it doesn't look good, YouTube friends, so we have to get out. And we're okay. Roughly $99 early morning. We started at 5 and now it's 6. So roughly 1 hour and we have $99. Thank you guys. So, bahala na mali. Basta we are in profits again. Yeah. 6:01 in the morning. And we have this profit. So we'll let this go. So will you let this go, man? No? I don't think. Yeah, we have to check this out. So I actually have a TP, a take profit around 40.95. I'm not sure if that one will get hit, but once this price will get back here, then we'll check this out. But it doesn't look like that. Oh. Early birds gets the worm. Yeah, I'm thinking to float this positions here. This buy entry. This is pretty amazing. Well, all you can do to this, sit up. Mm. And then look, will continue to go higher. We'll see if this will make it $50. A profit. Hmm. We'll check this out. If this one reads 6, 7. We will push down.
Hello?
6. Wow. 10. Ooh. 8. Okay. $58. Just less than 10 minutes trading. $58. So another take profit, YouTube friends. Oh, why it goes down like that? Yeah, we have to wait 8 or 9, but it's going down. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now it turns to 8, 9. Yeah, we'll take 8. It's going down to $6. A few seconds left, man. What is it? 8. It was $9 something lately. And suddenly. Okay. And no way. 300. Okay, we still have one position left. Running a market ni. Okay, nag-30 na siya. Balik sa 28, gagi. 29. Yeah, it touches again to 30. Yeah, that's it. 30. Sustain. Sustain, my man. Sustain. 31. Okay, 31, but I'm sure you still have more gas to go up higher. Okay, 31. We're about to change the candlesticks for 15-minute time frame. 31. When you hit 31, okay, almost 31. Hit 31, please. 31. You're so stubborn, my friend. Blah. Naon yun niya, taas kayo sa akin yung bullshit. Tangina. Withdraw. Okay. I'm going to check this out. Yeah. Okay, green candlesticks, please. Green. It does not turn into green. Okay, I need the aid of my live chart for 5 minutes, right? Okay. Few seconds from now, it will change to another candlesticks. It does not look good. Do I have to sell? Man, this is confusing. But well, if this will form another candlesticks here, green one, so it will be a 3 bars candlesticks. That would be pretty strong. Oh man, this is no good. I think I need to get out, right? Yeah, I think I need to get out now. Or this is another, I think this is a new support. I'm not sure, but yeah, in 5-minute time frame, it creates a new support. And there's economic news at 8:45. Please, green candlesticks. If this will sustain and cross above, the price will cross above 41.21, then this will continue to go higher. So we will have to hold our positions. Come on, this is scary. Man, green candlesticks. I need green candlesticks, not the red one. Move 41.23. I'll settle down 41.23. I will start feeling comfortable 41.23. But this price here, I'm not really comfortable. It's nerve-wracking. Okay. So 37, roughly 2 minutes to change the next candlesticks for the 5-minute time frame. But it looks like now it looks like a resistance. Lately it looks like a support. I don't know. But I think I have a substantial profit already with these positions below. So perhaps I might check that out. But I'll wait if this will change to green candle. Yeah, okay. Move higher. Wow. So every time it goes back to 41.20, there's some kind of pressure that pushed the market down. This is tug of war. Okay. What would be the best idea here? But I'm still waiting. My first option is to wait to turn this into green candle. This current candlesticks for the 5-minute time frame, because I'm sure if this one goes up, then we will see more on the upside. But there's news at 8:45, so a few minutes from now. So I think I cannot let that happen to destroy my account. Does not look good. So we're going to check out our floating buy positions, YouTube friends. Yeah, a little bit higher and then we'll be out. A little bit higher, I don't know, 40.95, 41. Yeah, 40.97. I think we'll be back at 40.100. Yeah, I told you, man. Yeah. And I guess we have to get out. It's good money now. Yeah, it's good money. Oh man, this is crazy. We'll reserve that XRP. I'll get out that one so that we can withdraw. Motherfucker. Wow. Oh shit. 351. Really? $367? Wow. $351 is our profit. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I was just like afraid. Fuck. Oh man. I miss that. The price jump from here. Whew. That was fucking money. So, YouTube friends, there will be huge movement by 7:30. Our time is 18 past 7. 18 past 7 is our time at the moment. So we need to take our profits, and we will wait for the next movement, and especially we have to see how the market moves after the economic news release of the data. So after the data is released, and we will have more information and understanding. If the data is positive, then the movement will have a reversal. The gold will go down by 7:30 if the news is positive for the dollar. And if the movement reverse, then we need to find entries for another buy entries by the deep. So that's the thing that we have to do. So if the news is positive for the dollar, it's just a reversal. But then I'm pretty sure the gold will try to recover as much as possible today, because today's Friday, and I think the recovery will continue until Monday. Oh, sheesh. What was it? That was scary as fuck. Suddenly turned red. Yeah, 10 minutes to go. I don't think we will see bigger movement to this. I think the market will stay right here in this price, 40 to 62. I think the movement will be reserved by 7:30. So in order not to squeeze out our equity, or we will not be like squeeze out with this huge movement, then we need to get our profits. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I have a TP here, a take profit, but that one is too high, and we're not sure if by 7:30 the gold will continue going up. We don't know that. Perhaps the gold might retrace back to the bottom, and so we will jeopardize our tiny equity. So I think it's enough for me to have this profit at the moment. It's better to have little than burning your account. So we deposited $96 already in total. First was $30, and then it was burned, and then now at $60. So we'll look at the 5-minute time frame. It doesn't look promising. Yeah. Even the 30-minute, the 15-minute, it's struggling. So I have to get out now. Why I'm still stuck in here? What am I doing here? Oh man. Yeah. Because I'm still waiting to get hit like back in here. Yeah, I'm still waiting for that. But perhaps We won't make it there. Well, it looks like we'll continue to go higher, no? But well, I won't jeopardize my whole or my entire account. But I'm still reluctant. I still have one position on top. I need that all of my positions will be in profit before I get out. All my positions. Yeah. Okay. Go higher, my man. Go higher. Go higher. Fifty, 50, 50, 50, 50. Now the market is getting crazy now. Ah, my goodness. 47, 50, 50. Oh boy, 50, 50. I need 50 now. But you're very hard-headed. Okay. I'm fine. So we're going to check out this floating profit once the market gets back here. 40.70. Once the market gets back to 40.70, we still have 6 minutes to go, or now roughly 5 minutes. Oh, what the fuck is going on? We'll add another. I'm negative now. Man. 7:30. There are 3 high impact economic news for the US. That is CPI. CPI is a double-edged sword. If you get it right, it is very rewarding. But if you get it wrong, it would be very devastating. Today's Friday, October 24, 2025. Roughly 4 minutes to go. I'm a bit anxious about the wick or the shadow or the tick or the stick that the 1 hour time frame is going to make. So 4 minutes. Oof. But I'm quite sure that gold is going to recover today. Gold is going to recover today. Likely this will get back to 4,100, 4,200 something. That's my personal bias and that's my projection. So you have to figure it out. Our screen recording is already 3 minutes long. Okay. Roughly 3 minutes. So I'm thinking of checking this out once we hit back 4072. Yeah, we're going to get out because we need to monitor the movement of the market in the next 30 minutes, and we will figure it out which side are we on for the next trade. Okay, 2 minutes to go, roughly 2 minutes. So I'm targeting 4070. This top here, you see that weak candle there, that stick, that shadow, that tail. Yeah, that one. I know, like, I know the market, the gold is going to hit that one back before making another noise after. So that's why we're waiting for that one to get hit. Or probably I'll put $4 to 470. $470. 470. 470. $470. $470. 470. 470. 470. Well, seems like it's a strong. So, alam ko babawi yan eh. Kaya nag-sell o nag-buy ako agad. Babawi yan. Lalim na ng hata kanina. Pero, sarado ko na to. Siguro na. Babawi yan. Labas ko na muna to. Naghihintay pa rin at aasa. Bakit ba ikaw ang nasa isip ko at di na mawala-wala pa? Ang iba. Uy, putik. No, wag po. 4095 will be my ambitious target. And then we're going to check out our buy entries. 4095. Now it's a tug of war. It's a tug of war, man. Tug of war. Yeah. The attitude of the gold is like this. When it goes so deep, it will retaliate. It will bounce. And just imagine the gold was falling from this high 4,112 to 4,084. So likely for 5 minute candlesticks, 1 2 3 4, that was so deep. And so it is not advisable to what the fuck. $37. I'm back to 36. We'll wait for the price to hit 4070. Is it possible? 4070, 4070, 77, 74. Yeah, 4070 right here. And that will be really, really strong right there. Because if the price cannot hold 4070, then it can move farther south and farther deep. If 4070 cannot hold, then likely the price will continue to go down to 4,000. And if 4,000 cannot hold, then we're fucking the gold before we're going to fuck the dollar later. Wait, I think we need to get out now. Yeah. Oh, not yet, man. I think we need to get out now. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, this account was $1.80. Now we're back. Even bigger than our deposit. Okay, I still have one position open. It's another one. But this is my profit this morning. Just 20 minutes. Wow, the withdrawal is already in my account. These are crazy positions. Yeah, I took $250 from my account. 241. I think I have a video to that, but it's a little bit longer. I think I'll let this one float because this week is like closer to the end of the month, and the gold is trying to recover the value, and I'm pretty sure it will go back to 4,400. And if we have a floating buy position around here, that will give us 600, more than $600 in one position. So yeah, we'll wait. If not, then we will cut our loss. I think I'm back. I'm back, my man. Look at that. I'm back, my man. I'm back. I'm back and I'm so crazy. Fucking crazy. Fucking crazy. Oh shit. What? What the fuck? 241. Eee. Ooh. We'll check out $200. Okay. I think we will check out $250 and we will let around $60 stay. And the thing that's quite pretty annoying here is logging in with XM account. What? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's possible. What happened? Okay. Was the going to exit our profit. Why is stuck in like that? Huh? Di mo ano sa akin. Gusto ko man lang mag-withdraw. dollar 250. Goods. Wow. $67 left. Right. Wow. Ataasa. Bakit ba wala ba Do I have to get out of this profits here? But this looks promising. Yeah? This looks promising. It's an open air space. There's no stopping there. Once it starts dropping, I'm sure it can go even. Yeah, see that? Oh, I did get out my positions here. Sana'y malaman mo, ibigin kita. Okay, I think it's time to get out. Naghihintay pa rin. If I did not delete my sell stop at 4,108, so it's in profit now because it's 4,100 profit of close to $1. We'll check on the 30-minute. Well, I'm sure this will continue to go down. It's an open space now. Yeah, it's open here. See that? I think it can farther down. Can move farther down. Probably 4,100. I'm expecting 4,096. Yeah, very likely. Well, we'll get out. What the fuck, 94 na lang. Okay, we'll check this out. Sugas na market na. Tangina na gold. Ito kasi, itong buntot nito, tatamaan pa nga yan eh. Babalikan niya yan dito. Lampas pa kaya nga yung aking TP nandito sa 4,155. Kasi yung buntot na yan sa first hour, lalampasan pa niya yan eh. Kaso, pasta pa na. Pilit pang bumalik sa taas. Baka nga na yung drops. Nakatakot dito pag na-squeeze yung account ko. Maliit lang yung mallet size ko eh. Kaso lang, ang lawak ng galaw ngayon. Yung zone ng yung range ng market. Pag nag-range ang gold, tingnan mo yan. Ito yung range niya eh. From 4,217 tapos 4,165. So ito yung range niya ngayon. Lalampas pa ng konti. So, well, scary. But we don't have any other choice. You've got to get in the trade once you see that there is it's not a signal, but it's an indication that the market is going to go a deep dive or more upside movement. Yung mga ganyan. But this is really nerve-wracking. But I'm pretty sure, I think this is a bull trap. This candlesticks here, it's a bull trap. Because I'm sure the next candlesticks it's going to go down. The question is how long we have to wait that one to realize. And hoping that there will be no spiking on the top, but rather just one direction going down and down and down and down. So there's somehow like kind of tug of war around 4,191 because early this morning this is the area where the gold was also struggling to cross above that one, and the dollar was trying to pull the gold down. I had bad entries lately this morning, so hopefully this will be a good one. What the fuck? TJ, yari. Nga mali si gold.
Sustansya. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, FLM.
Okay. Another position still out. And time to stop. Okay, $91. This is ultra low. I made a mistake there. I put a sell. It was quick. So we have this current profit. I think I need to exit now. And we will float these remaining to $60 profit for this ultra low account. This is my new XM account. It's ultra low, no deposit bonus here. It's a very brand new account. Okay, so there's no bonus deposit here, so we deposited 1,000 baht, $30.75. So we doubled the deposit today. I think gold is going to hit 4,200 as I predicted or analyzed a few days ago. Natin sana yan.
Logic. Pero sabi ni Kayo, wala daw eh. Sorry Kayo ah. But not verbatim.
Okay.
I-circle back natin. Diba? Tinanong kung sino yung boss mo.
Seems like
Sabi mo wala kang boss. Tapos ngayon may boss ka na.
okay.
Sinungaling ka kasi. Tignan nyo. This is all
It's very exhausting
what's
now.
natin in a sunod-sunod na sentence. Wala siyang boss, tapos may boss siya mamaya. Tignan nyo.
Dokumento, pangalanan niya po lahat yan.
So, YouTube friends, I'm considering to check out our positions that are in profits now. Yeah. And we'll let the other three positions to float, and we'll see how far this gold can go back to the top. I have a suspicion that the gold will push harder back to the top, where it started, where it created an all-time high this morning. So it's really difficult to trade right now, your friends. It's really difficult to trade. Now I have to get out. Get out. Actually, I struggled a lot. Okay. Very difficult to trade. Kaunti lang nahuli ko. Shit. I think here for the 81, probably this will be the a little bit solid somewhere here, 4080. So we'll check out our last position, the 4080, and then I'm sure this market will make another recover going up. Okay, we're scalping with gold. We're scalping. Saglit lang. Pwede, may ginagawa pa. Saglit lang. Okay, we're scalping, my friends. Yeah, I think it will be deeper. To expect deeper than that. Okay. I tried to scalp here, but this is very dangerous. This is very dangerous strategy because the gold is strong. But I'm trying to catch the top. And when it goes back here, we'll get out. To manage while at the same time we're playing poker. So 1 minute to change the next candle. That's scary. That might continue to go up. But well, if that happens, we're going to close all these negative positions, and then we'll have another setup. Yay. TJ, grabe yung gold, oh. Rocking. What the fuck? Shit. Okay. Labas na natin to. Okay. Oh. Ito lang posisyon ko, maagap. Yan. Nasa 20,000 kahapon. Ang isang account. Check out ko na itong isa. Ay. Okay. It's impossible if you have it there. DJ, nabawi ko na yung losing. Withdraw ko 460. Yan yung naging profit ko, $628. Sa deposit na $30. Oh, fucking crazy trades. Ah, my goodness me. So, pahinga muna ako mag-trade. Garden pa ako at poker. Pangit ng all-time high ng gold eh. Pero wari ko sagad sa 4,100. Either ngayong gabi or bukas. Pero bukas malalim hatak niyan. Pero sa tingin ko yung gold kaya abutin yung $4,200 na area bago siya maghatak ng malalim. Kagaya nung time na nangyari nung nag-buy si Jam, tapos tuloy-tuloy yung hatak ng gold. Ay, may tournament pa ako ngayon alas 10 ng gabi. Wala na akong tulog kagabi mo. Tangin ng buhay na rin. Sige na, para sa bayan. Tapos sabihan mo ako pag gusto mo mag-trade ulit this week. Pero kung gusto mong next week ka na rin mag-trade, okay rin. Sabihan mo lang ako pag gusto ka na mag-trade. Sabihan kita 1,000. Isang beses lang ako kumain ngayong araw. Nag-alala ako baka magkasakit ako na rin. Tangina, lifestyle. Hello guys. So I'm back again. And it seems like the market won't sustain, so we're going to get out our profits here. They're already making money. The market is so stubborn. What the fuck? $617 profit. Whew. I will have these two positions left. If the market price of gold consolidate, then we can have another buy entry down. Okay, thank you. Visit sa tigla.
Grabe ka naman, Tekla. Anong work mo dito? Anong work mo, ha? Ano? Sa hotel ka? Ano ka doon? Elevator?
Gago.
Punyeta ka? Ayan, pawis na ako agad. My God. Okay, sige. Ayan. To set the mood, everyone, para mas masaya tayo lahat, magpalakpakan tayo. May kasama si Gawan! Let's do this! Halika na, wait na tayo. Hindi, kailangan po namin kumanta din para mabuo yung aming sakot.
At makauwi na.
Oo.
Sige, mauna ka muna.
Ang ganda ng suot mo.
Ay, thank you so much ka pala sa nalamit sa akin ngayon.
Sino?
Si Liz.
Boses siya, Liz Uy.
Tanga.
Anong Liz?
This 50%.
Liz yun, tanga.
Si Liz.
Ang ganda mo kang lupa.
Yeah.
Wala talagang magandang damit sa akin, no?
Oh.
Pagkatapos na niyang maikasal, ibinigay niya sa Pilipina.
Right now it's a friends. I'm going to withdraw this profits here. Yeah. I can't wait any longer. Ooh. So right now our balance is $197. Our total profit $466 today. That was amazing. Whew. So it's in profit now. Let's see. Ooh, sheesh. I'll be back later. What is it? I need to change my screen. What the fuck? Okay. Another buy positions. We're going to get out our profit. Man, what's going on, man? Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh. Okay. For this particular account, we have $447 profit. We took $300 withdrawal. Uh-huh. These are crazy trades. Now, there are only 3 entries left. Actually, the other one is in profit already. But I know for sure that the market is... What's my card holding? I will sit out. For 30-minute time frame, let me check on the 4-hour time frame. No, 1 hour time frame. Oh, I see. So more upside. I have pocket kings and suited. I'll go for this. Come on. Fuck, I don't like the ace on the flop. Someone has an ace. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. So YouTube friends, good morning. Good morning, YouTube friends. Good morning once again. As you can see now, see that? That was what I was talking about. Look at that, YouTube friends. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Close the positions. The profit. Oh shit. My other hand is playing poker and my other hand is closing my positions. What the fuck? Shit, man. Wow. Whew. This gonna be good. 400. Yeah. I got a profit of like $180 in the other account, and this account from morning to now 24 past 12, 422. This is crazy. Okay, time to rest. Very exhausting. Not very exhausting, extremely exhausting, man. Look at the profits here. Yeah, I have another video to upload, so thank you. Follow my journey. See you, everyone. Bye. Friends, I think this is what I'm talking about for many clips already since early morning. Yeah. Since early morning, I was talking about this movement. Now we are at 40.59. Actually, we just kissed at 40.62. So likely we will be moving farther up today. At the moment, look at that. Yeah. We need to cross above these 2 weeks or 2 shadows, 2 sticks. We need to cross above that so that we can maintain the momentum of no stopping going up. Yeah. I'm playing poker actually. So that's why my attention is divided. It's just a free roll. I'm not buying. Well, if you can win cash here, $4. What the fuck? You call me, huh? Oh, okay. Just dodge the 4, man. Oh, shit. Wow, okay, good. Ugh. So, we are currently having this amount of profits. So, our original deposit $30, and this is the entire morning. Okay, I'm still holding my buy positions because we're about to cross that barrier there at 40.59, 40.60. Once we go above that, we go higher than that, then it's on. The gold will continue to go up. And good enough that it's holiday time in the US, so likely gold will take advantage of this situation and will continue to give us, yeah, look at that, 40, 60, 40, 61. Now it's playing within that. Okay, we're higher now. Not that much, just a little. It goes back again. But well, I think the gold now has more pulling power or pushing power to go up. Yeah, every time I do screen recording here, the market is going down. Oh, no, it's not going down. Okay, we go higher than 40.60. Yeah, that's good news. Yeah, and I think we can go higher than that because I mentioned to you we have these, I cannot consider whammies, but it looks like, but because they're close to each other, so this cannot be whammies, but maybe. But the very indication of this is the 3-bar candlesticks, and we have 2 3-bar candlesticks. This one here, and this one right here. These 3 candlesticks here and these 3 candlesticks. Once the red is right here, that's bearish, but once the green is here, that means bullish. Look at that. Have you witnessed the movement, YouTube friends? Yeah. The movement. Look at the movement. Look at the movement, YouTube friends. Look at the movement. Yeah. Okay. So I can't monitor my poker tournament. So it's 5 minutes already, so I think I have to cut this down, and I'll be back later once I decide to take our positions. the market seems to reverse at 15-minute time frame. We'll see this one, YouTube friends. If this will not affect our position, then I will not close our buy entries that are in profits. Likely it will go up, so we'll just have to monitor that. This is confusing because this one will likely fall, but I don't know how this one can hold, and this one is so thin. Maybe it can hold a little bit and then this one go higher. I don't know, but that's for the 15-minute time frame. Well, candlesticks in lower time frame can be manipulated, but 4-hour time frame can be manipulated sometimes, and it happened to me 2 weeks ago. I went to competition, and then that was Monday, and I did trading, and it's a huge bearish candlestick in the 4-hour time frame. So I did sell the gold, and then an hour later the market spikes like no stopping, and my positions, and I did like few deposits and all, it got burned. So that's why you need to understand that the lower the time frames, the candlestick formation can be manipulated. But daily time frame, there are time, but not all the time. So you need to be careful. That's why there is a need to consider looking into the fundamental analysis, like checking on the economic news, what currency pair you are trading with, and what country does that pair represent, or metal. And then you look into the market and the result of the news. If it's positive, then likely there's reversal that is going to happen. If at the moment the trend is uptrend, but if the trend is downtrend, so there will be reversal of the market. So the market will make corrections and then continue to go down, consolidate the price. So yeah, okay. But this one is confusing. This is 15-minute time frame. So I'm sure this red candle now will create a shadow or a stick or a weak candle at the bottom and will continue to go higher, because it doesn't make sense that it goes down, and the fact that the 30-minute time frame and especially the 1-hour time frame still solid. It's just the beginning of, we just get out from the three bar candlesticks, and the next candle, which is now moving, going up and down, is the next candle after the 3-bar candlesticks. And just imagine, we have 3-bar, we have 2-bar, we have 2 sets of 3-bar candlesticks. When you see that one in the chart, man, I tell you, if the trend is uptrend, I tell you, and it's bullish engulfing pattern, and it's 3 bars candlesticks, it's solid, and I can't imagine how high this gold can go now today. So I'll see you. I'll be back. So YouTube friends, we're back, and look at the market right now. It's 40.58. I keep telling in my previous clip like this lately. I'll put that one together. of course, those clips will go first. And I mentioned there every time, like once the market get back to 48, 40, 58, 40, 57, then it will continue to go higher and it's unstoppable. And now it's starting to work. Yeah, we have an outstanding of $40 something profit. 48. And I will not close that positions, YouTube friends, because this area is an open area already and the gold is unstoppable right now. Watch. When it reached to 40, 58, it can go easily to 40, 60, 40, 70, 40, 80. Man, today this will be massive. Massive. I tell you, massive. So, like 19 minutes to go to change the candlesticks for the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame, not yet. 19 minutes to go and it will be 12 p.m. and 1 hour and 19 minutes to go in order for this candlesticks to change, this 4 hour time frame to change. But it's an open area already, then its sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. Okay, I don't know what's going on with the market. Every time I do screen recording, yeah, it's coincidence that the market is going down. But well, we're still all profit now. 37, 38. Yeah, I think it's playing the market, the price, market price of gold right now is playing around 57, 58. Yeah. But I've mentioned, like, when it stay there for, like, it can hold right there, then it will continue to go higher to 40, 60, 40, 70, 40, 80. And probably even today we can reach 4,100 for gold per ounce. Okay. I'll get back to you later. And now I told you in my previous video, YouTube friends, look at that, it's moving now. It's going higher. Moving higher. Okay. We'll linger for like 1 or 2 minutes. Ay shit. Ako ka-register sa tournament, gagi. Yeah, climb to 56. Yeah, 56, 57. Once 57, 4,057 is hit, then we continue to move upside. Yeah, it is. Okay. We're back to 56, huh? Yeah. Nah, see, 57. Now 57 area where I keep talking about, that area 40, 57. Once that area get hit, the gold will be unstoppable. Today is bank holiday in America, and then much more the gold will take advantage of this movement. So I think and today still early morning of Monday, and the session today is part of Friday session last week. So this is going to be a huge climb. So I'll stop at 2 minutes. Well, the price consolidate, and that's normal when the market is moving up. it goes back down to get more momentum and going back up. So, okay, I'll be back later now. I bought another buy position, YouTube friends, and it's 3 cents. It's a big one. Why? Because I should not be doubting myself. Look at this. These are 3 bars candlesticks. 3 bars candlesticks. And this one another 3 bar candlesticks. This can go higher today, man, I tell you. This can go higher. The market is going to spike huge and higher today, YouTube friends. We have 3 bars candlesticks here. We have 3 bars candlesticks. And it can serve as whammies as well. Now, this is the first. How do you call that one? Like the lower bottom, the market tried to check the momentum, and then the next try is somewhere here, and it's very short. So that means not long from now, this market is going to go higher and higher. So with that, I'll buy another. Okay, so we have 3 positions for 1 cent, 2 positions for 3 cents, and 1 position for 2 cents. 8, 8, 8, 8, 10, 11, 11 cents. So we will not add another. So we have 11 cents floating. But looking at the candlestick formation, YouTube friends, this will not miss. 3 bars candlesticks here, 3 bars candlesticks. Man, I tell you, I'm not lying. I'm reading candlesticks here. This will have a huge climb, spike, and now it's 4,052. I think we can hit 4,100 today. It's my projection. I can be wrong, but it's the higher probability looking at the formation of the candlesticks and the chart. So I'll get back to you later and to prove that I am saying here the true and facts. YouTube friends, I'm not so sure if the market, the gold, will continue to cross 40, 56, 40, 60 area, because for the 15-minute time frame, it's not bearish engulfing pattern, but it's scary, yeah. So I have profits already, so perhaps I'm going to take all this profit, I guess. I should not be so greedy, because it happens to me many times that I was so greedy, and what happened to my account? No, I don't need to be greedy this time. We have $253 profit from the $30 deposit. This is whole morning, before lunch. Time check, 11:08. So these are all our profits, all buy positions. We're trapping the gold. Every time it goes back down, we buy. Okay, I'll be back. We still have 2 positions. I'm not sure if I will add another. all the letters that I wrote to you. Do, 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 do. Okay, we have one position in profit. Okay. Okay. I need to withdraw this. After all, I'll take all the positions out. Yeah. So, what does it mean? Will it go further up? Likely, but it seems yeah, I think it can go higher because of this kangaroo tail here. Oh, what the fuck? Shitty hands. Okay. 11. Let me check. Final stage. 7 days will start. Restart at 7 days. 700,000. 700,000. 775,000 chips. Wow. It's a big money. $59,000. You should qualify. So I'll buy $10,000, 2 hours. Okay. 5.40 bounty hunters warm up. I'm going to win that one. Tell you. Okay. We'll take this out. Yeah. That's one. That's 30 minutes. And then this is 1 hour. Well, I think this will tarry longer here around this area 40, 49. Actually, this is already above the previous price in the daily time frame last Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this is higher here. So as long as this can hold, then we will see more upside. But I'm anxious about getting my profits out and then let a small amount of equity to stay in my account and continue trading. And that will be for the gala after that. So, fingers crossed. That one cannot go down deeper. Yeah. Okay, I'll get back later. Okay, YouTube friends, we're back. It seems like the gold will need like certain amount of time to like cross over above that range, that zone, so that it will create another all-time high. So at the moment we have floating profits that we need to take out because it might reverse or consolidate. The price might consolidate, so at least if we can have another buy entry there, it's fine. But these floating profits now, if we will take this out, this will add to our equity and our balance. It will help our account to stay afloat and not so exposed in the market. Okay, so I'm waiting. Once it turns $6, 6. Okay, 5, and then 3, right? I will not wait. 3. Okay, I will not wait for $3. Wow, we have $202 profit this fucking morning. But we still have negative positions. I think I will not add any. I'll just wait that this will realize. So we'll get back to you later. Okay, YouTube friends. Though the gold starts climbing back, but gold has been betraying me several times, so therefore I have withdraw or take this profit. 187 $187 today, starting around 7:30. So 1 hour trading session, like maybe more than 1 hour trading session. $187. It's all buy. Okay, but we still have 5 floating positions and they're all negative, but I think the market is going up, so likely we'll be able to take all these profits out before noontime, and after that I think I have to withdraw maybe $150 from the $218 balance. Okay, I'll get back to you later. Okay, another sets of trade, YouTube friends, that I'm going to take out. Yeah. Oof, why? It's all by positions. October 13 today, Monday. And our outstanding profit is $175 from the deposit of $30 and a credit bonus deposit from XM 15. That makes 45, like 45 and 90 cents our outstanding equity at the beginning, and then we have a clean profit here, but we still have 3 floating positions, so, and I might add another. Yeah, so we still have 4 open positions, but at the moment we have $175 profit already, so we booked that profit today, October 13, 2025. So you see the deposit there, the credit, it's a real account, man. Okay, so I'll get back to you later, and we will put all these clips together. I'm shaking, man. I'm shaking. Wow, I'm shaking, boy. I'm shaking. What the fuck? Wow. Sige ka to. Tangina. Cut. What the fuck? Wow. That's another money. Deposit go $30 profit. Whew. What the fuck? Okay. Kukuk. Meeting ni me oh, putang ina. Hoy. Yung trading ko ba? Wala akong tulog buong gabi. What the fuck? Shit, man. Wow! This morning.
Shit, man. Kunin mo na yung 100 mo, shit, man.
This is the account where I deposited $30. The market did a bite of my account, $20 negative, and then I was able to recover. So far we're in profit of $3. Somewhere down the road. For bigger time frame YouTube friends, this market will continue to go up. So we'll have to check this out, and we'll wait for another support, and then we're going to have another buy. Okay, a little bit deep, a little bit profit than that. I don't want to break even or a little bit negative. I'm sure. I think the market still can come back here. 40.31, 40.30. But not this TP here. It's, I think, impossible. 40.28. It's a miracle. The wrong time. Oh, somewhere down the road. Okay. 691. We'll get out, man. I think so. What a profit. $96 early morning. Two positions, 51 and 44. What the fuck, man? Now, I think we have to check out the other one, huh? No, not this one. This one. Check natin, boy. Ito ang hindi pa. Hindi na natin exit mo na. Maya. Let me check the XRP. I think it's going down. Okay, good. XRP is going down, gold is going up. So all our XRP positions are sell entries, and our gold are buy entries, but we exited the other account. Only one that is remaining. Only one remaining that still stay, and we will wait up until where this market can go. Yeah, it's 5:23 past 5 in the morning. Actually, the movement of the gold right now is going up. Farther up, it's a bank holiday for the US bank holiday, and early Monday session is still part of Friday session in the previous week. So that's the usual thing. And gold was not able to finish nice last Friday session, so I think this morning the gold will try to find a way to go back to the all-time high. I'm regretting why I exited the other position there in the other account. It's supposed to be if I let that one stay, then I think right now, yeah, I have bigger profits. Okay, what do you think? We'll get out? Not yet. I think not yet now. This can go higher. See? We'll see if this one can surpass that area. We'll check back later. Coaches and customers. Coaches and customers. $39.